Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your GoDaddy website builder with Apple Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder. So you can go to godaddy.com and it's going to open up your dashboard right here. And from the dashboard, we can go ahead and open up our website in editor mode by clicking the edit website option. And it's going to enable us to open it up in this editor mode right here, where at the right side of the screen, you're going to go and be able to access this menu with which you can edit your website. So from here, we can take a look at the website section and so on. We are going to go and be opening up the store section. By clicking store, it's going to open up this new menu. Now guys, to be able to start selling with their commerce plan and to manage your store, you're going to need a premium plan. As you can see currently, I'm still on the free plan, so I cannot access it. But if you have premium plan, you're going to be able to open up your online store right here from the store widgets and access the settings of the online store. This is going to enable you to manage the payments options. And if you go ahead and take a look at the online payments option of your settings, you're going to see something called Stripe or Apple Pay that you can directly go ahead and drag and drop into whatever section you want or in your page. And this is how you can go ahead and implement Apple Pay directly with your website builder right here on GoDaddy and how to get started connecting those two. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.